Come along with Marvelous Mouse Travels as we tour the brand new Universal Terra Luna Resort here at Universal Orlando. This is one of 3 new hotels that are opening just in time for the brand new Epic Universe here at Universal Orlando. Let's go on in and check this out. Here we are in the main lobby area. As you can see, we've the check-in desk over here. We have the Universal Studio store right there, vacation planning store just across from the main check-in, and you even have luggage services right as you come in. If you're going to the theme parks the day you check in, you can store your luggage there, or even the day you check out. So let's check out Omega Cafe and Market just right off the main lobby. Let's take a little walk through here. Now you're going to find the market over here to the right, the cafe over here to the left, and they've got plenty of dining and seating over here. But you can visit the market. This is open from 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. If you need a drink, a snack, they got some great pastries. You can see they do a full service barista right here. So any of your proudly served Starbucks drinks that you have to have, you can get them here. How are you? Look at these cookies. Oh my goodness. But my favorite thing to look is this chocolate muffin, and I think it's even vegan, so it's really good. But look at all these wonderful treats you can get here to start your day off in the parks. And if you want to finish the night with some ice cream, you can even come out here and get that as well. Now, just like you can get at every Universal hotel, you can get one of these refillable souvenir mugs. Now, keep in mind, these mugs only work at the hotel. You can't take these into the park, and vice versa. So, good, thank you. Beautiful hotel. Yeah. So there you have it. Those are the hours right now. So just make sure you check it. Like I said, this is open until 11 p.m. Let's go next door to the cafe and check that out. Okay, so the Omega Cafe operates from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. as you can see here. And like I said, you can get your mug over here. And I'm just going to do a quick walk up this menu right here so you can see. They offer everything from salads to burgers and pizza. They've even got some sweet treats on the menu as well. And they even have some beverages with alcohol that you can get as well for that. So once you've ordered, you'll come over here to the pickup window and get your food and be on your merry way. But like I said, plenty of seating over here. Not bad at all. Here are your refillable stations for your refillable mugs. So you got the freestyle machines here. They also have coffee that you can get on tap, and they got creamer station there. The other refillable machines, the freestyle machines you're going to find, are going to be out by the pool, and we'll check that out a little later. Okay, one more thing. Just past the Omega Cafe and Market, you're going to find another desk here, and they don't have the signage out right now, but right here is where you're going to find the Avis car rental inside of this Universal Hotel. Now, one of the signature things about the Universal hotels here in Universal Orlando is each of them have an Avis car rental desk. That means you can pick up and drop off at this hotel if you're renting from Avis. You do not have to rent from Avis you don't have to rent here at the hotel to be able to drop off here, and vice versa. You can pick up your car here and drop off somewhere else as well. So keep that in mind. All right, so over here we have the bar. This is the Luna Bar, and we have our very own Caitlin Darling here, who is going to be visiting for Epic Universe here. So check out the bar here. they're going to have some different beers on draft, including, I think there's a local here. I think it's the Orange Blossom Pilsner that you can get, which is great. And then they also have a full service bar behind with some of your different spirits that you can get. And just take a look at this menu. You know, just a couple of the exclusive cocktails you can get here at the Luna Bar. Looks really good. Enjoy your drink, Caitlin. Thanks, appreciate it. Bye. All right, let's go out and check out the pool here. As you can see, there's plenty of seating around the lobby here. I like that. And another entrance to the Universal store. So make sure if you need to go grab some epic merch before you go into the park, you can check that out. All right, so let's go on out to the pool. Check out how beautiful the exterior of Terra Luna. This is beautiful. So let's keep going. Just walk down, going in, and just walk around the pool here and check it out. So to the left, when you come into the pool, you're going to find plenty of seating that wraps all the way around the pool area. And even further back, they do have some activities in the sand back here. You've got ping pong. I think it's like a Connect 4 game. It's not really Connect 4, but I'm not really sure what they call that. And you got cornhole boards set up. And as it goes into the evening, the pool is open until 11 o'clock. And every day at 8:15, they do show a movie. Tonight, they're going to be showing Shrek right here. This is where the movie screen will be, and you can enjoy Shrek right from the pool here. Now, one thing I love about the pools here is they're very kid-friendly, so you don't have to worry about a very deep bottom pool. So you do have pretty shallow, and this is a pretty big pool, so you're not going to feel crowded coming in after the day in the park. So definitely check that out. But I definitely love the view here. It's wonderful. We're gonna go walk over here to the pool bar where you can see it shaded. But before we get there, I do want to point out one thing. So you're gonna see these hanging off the back of the chairs. You can do mobile ordering right from your chair here because they do have a bar, and then they also have a station around where you can get some pool food. Pool food is always good after you're swimming, so it's like some nachos, some hot wings, things like that. It's actually connected to the backside of the Omega Cafe, so you don't have to go inside to get that food. And here we are. This is the Moonrise Bar, so check out the outside here. Definitely love the theming here. And we're gonna come up, and just like inside in the lobby bar, you do have some beers on draft, but you also have a wide selection of spirits to get something to drink. What is the best drink here at the pool?
The best one is this one. But I like bourbon, so that's my opinion.
The Main Belt? Ooh, that does sound pretty good. So that's Maker's Mark Bourbon shaken with a falernum syrup? What is falernum?
Falernum?
Yeah.
It's going to be like a spice syrup. There's going to be some cinnamon, ginger, clove.
Ooh.
You know all the ingredients on the side here?
Oh,
like
that's so awesome.
Really nice tiki drink.
But I love that all the drinks stay in theme with the Terra Luna here. So staying in theme. And they've even got some frozen concoctions back there. And I see some pool glasses too. Now, do those get refills on, discounts on refills or no?
They're not. We just charge $1 more so you can keep them.
Really?
Yeah.
I will be back to get my own Terra Luna cup. I like that, so thank you. Appreciate it. Now, just off to the left of the bar here, remember how I said they have more freestyle machines? You can bring your resort mug out here with you and fill them up. This is where you'll do it right here. And just right to the left of that is the restrooms. And if you continue out this gate, there's actually a walking path that takes you all the way to Stella Nova Hotel, and then there's a walking path to Epic Universe. Now, I do recommend that you do take the bus here. It's free. They take you directly to Epic and drop you off right there, but if you want to walk, you can do it. It's just going to take you a little bit of time. But there we have the Moonrise Bar. One more look. panning out to the pool. Beautiful day here in April as we make our way through. Now we're going to be heading back here to the Moonrise Grill. This is where you can mobile order some of those fun poolside snacks like wings. So let's go back here, see what they have. Currently there's nobody back here, but it is open. You don't have to mobile order. You can do walk up, and I'm going to show you what their pool hours are. How are you today? Sorry. Good. Hi, just checking everything out. What are your hours today?
11 to 8.
11 to 8.
Yeah.
So, and I'm just going to take a look at that menu if you don't mind. So, pretty much some of the things you can get inside, but some extra things out here, right? So what is your favorite thing out here? The nachos look very, very good, and the wings sound really good. Is there a favorite that most people get?
A lot of people like to get the shrimp tacos and the nachos.
Ooh, shrimp tacos and the nachos. I'll be back for those.
All right.
Great. Thank you so much.
Have a good day.
Thank you. You too. So don't forget to get your silverware and your napkins as you're going. And there you have the pool area. All right, let's go on back inside and check out our room. So let's go ahead and head on up to our guest room and check that out. I think we have an epic theme park view. I hope so. There you go. And the elevators for the guest rooms are going to be just to the, if you're coming from the front desk, they're going to be to the right. So just keep that in mind. You can also find the fitness and game room back here. Gotta get out my room key. We are in room 8016. Let's go check it out. So here we are in room 8016 on the 8th floor. We'll take our key, hold 2, and let's go on in and check this out. Immediately to the left, you can see there is a connecting door. That's because 56% of the rooms here are connecting. The maximum occupancy in all of the rooms here at Terra Luna are going to be sleeps 4. So keep that in mind. If you're a family of 5, if you wanted to stay here, you would have to have 2 rooms. So just keep that in mind. So let's just check out the room and see what everything looks like. So here we are. We've got the 2 queen beds right there. And I love the colors in here. You can see the beds here. Let's just check out the bedside table. So obviously you have some controls for lights. Yeah, plug-ins on the wall here. You have a alarm clock that is a radio, but they also have a wireless charging for your phone. If you set right down there, it will charge. Remote for the TV, and then again your light, and then you do have a drawer with Bible in it, and then of course sometimes there's some stationery in here, but I don't see any in today. And on the wall you can see a wonderful mounted, I'm gonna guess this is about a 65-inch. I'm not very sure. I think it's too big to be a 55. But right here in each of your rooms at Universal hotels, you're gonna find a rundown. This is gonna be everything you need to know about checking in and checking out and some of the things about the hotel. And then you've got your phone, and here's that stationery I was talking about. But watch this. So there we have plugs, so that you can charge and keep charging all your devices. And over here, we've got a wonderful pod system. It's not quite like the K-Cup pod system, but single serve brew. There you go. You got coffee over here. I'm going to go downstairs and get my coffee for sure. But if you like to brew in the room, that's here for you. And then they also have a mini cooler here. Make sure you turn it up, because I'm guessing it's not going to be all the way up. So I'm going to turn it up to 7 for later, because I'm going to be putting some waters in there for myself. You've got an ice bucket, and that'll work out pretty good. Now, over here, we've got some closet space, and I've already placed my book bag inside, so you're gonna see that, but plenty of room for big luggage to come into this closet. They've got an ironing board. You've got some more pillows and blankets. So even though this room is max of 4, if you had somebody who was smaller that wanted to sleep on the couch there, they could always do that. So we'll go over and check that out in a minute, but you got your safe right here. And we're gonna close that. And then let's walk back over here real quick. So now we have this couch area, which I really like. It's nice and cozy. I'm gonna sit down here, answer some emails, maybe edit some of this footage. And let's just draw the curtains open real quick so you can see outside. Like I said, we have an epic theme park view. How beautiful. Awesome. Now, let's go over here and check out the bathroom, because bathrooms are important. Now, what do y'all notice about this is you've got a privacy curtain right here, but if you don't want that privacy curtain closed, you don't have to keep it closed. There's a glass partition here, right? And that glass partition can open up so that if you're having a conversation with maybe your partner or somebody, you can have that unclosed, but we're gonna keep that drawn. And I'm gonna wave at you guys because I'm in the mirror here, but this is the single sink vanity that you have. And down here you do have a hair dryer, so you don't have to bring your own. Some hand towels. All right, let's check out this stall shower setup here. This is gonna be a separate door for a water closet in here. You got the toilet down here to the left, towels up here on the rack. And inside, we're gonna go look at the shower. They do have some included toiletries for you, shampoo and conditioner. They do have bar soap for body wash. So I do recommend bringing your own body wash and even your own toiletries if that's important to you, but they do have included shampoo. And then up here you have a Speakman head, very good water pressure. I can personally account for that because I stayed here a couple nights ago and it was great. So. And lastly, if you want to control the room, which I'm going to take this all the way down to 66 because I do like it cold in here. And I'm not paying the bill because I'm staying here. So I'm going to go ahead and run that down and get it nice and cold in here. But, so there you have it. Here's a standard 2-queen room at the brand new Universal Terra Luna Resort, located just minutes from Epic Universe. If you would like to book this room or any other Universal hotel to come down and visit the brand new Epic Universe, please reach out to marvelousmousetravels.com and we can connect you with one of our expert agents. And the best part, our services are absolutely free to you. Check us out.